Namaste and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll explain you how to do Tadasan drills. And I have also explained you why Tadasan is so important because it's helping your second heart, which are nothing but your calf muscles, right? So to keep your calf muscles, it's important that you train them every single day, right? This is how you're preparing yourself for a long and healthy life and a healthy heart, right? So let's begin. I'll just adjust my camera and I'll show you how you can do using a block, holding a wall, sitting on a chair, and also I'll tell you where at all you can do in your home, right? So let's begin. Okay, let's first start with how you can do using a yoga block. So I have a beautiful yoga block on which my niece has created art using crayons. Okay, so I'll show you how to do this. You can take a yoga block and keep it near a wall, right? Probably at a distance of 1 feet or 2 feet. Okay, so I'll adjust my camera so that you can zoom in down there and focus on my legs. Okay. So you're going to keep your yoga block here and you can keep your hands on the wall and stand on the yoga block where your heels are coming outward. Okay. Your heels are outward. And slowly you will press down your heels and go up. Right? You can go down and go up. Go down and go up. So once you do this, now for example, this is, let's say you start here, you lift your heels, you go down, this is 1. This, and this is 2. Okay? 3, 4, 5. Alright? So this is how you have to do the Tadasan drills using a block. Next, I will show you how you can do it using a chair. So let's see how we can sit on a chair and also do it using a yoga block or without yoga block also. Okay. So what you can do is have a chair. You can sit on the chair and keep your yoga block. And just simply again do the same thing, right? You're going to simply lift your heels up and then bring them down, right? Lift your heels up and bring them down. See, when you're sitting, you can easily lift your toes. So you do that. So these muscles you have to train, right? You can do like this. Now another way you can do it without the yoga block also. If this is probably for the people who are very aged, like for example, maybe 75 plus or 80 plus for them. What they can do is they can just simply sit on the chair, right? And simply do without anything. Very simple. And young people also who are less in age, when you do not find anything, maybe you're traveling or doing something, right? You can do this while you're traveling when you don't find anything. Even in a train, in a flight, in a bus, in a car, you can do it anywhere. It's very flexible. So don't miss it. It is one of the magical things that you can give to your heart. Now let's see in what all places you can do this exercise at your home.
So here you can see this is my washroom, and to get into washroom there is a small elevation there, so you can hold the door of the washroom and do this drill. So you can use the steps also to do this drill. So this is my door to balcony. So again it is having an elevation here, so you can stand and do here also the Tadasan drills.
So those are some ideas that you can use in your home, like steps or the little elevation to go to your washroom or balcony. These are the things that you can do at your home. If you have any other ideas, please mention them in the comment box below, so that we can we can learn from each other where you can do this exercise. Okay, and also I want to, before ending this video, I want to again put it in your mind that this is the most important yogasan, tadasan drills that you have to do every single day, right? So start with 100, move on to 200, and slowly take the numbers up. Like 1 month you do 100, next month you do 200, and third month you do 300. The maximum you can go is 600. Don't overdo anything. Right, always don't overdo anything. Just have that balance. And if you feel that okay, after this healathon, the 90-day healathon, you can take a break a little, right? For example, you can take a break of 1 week or so and then restart again, right? So thank you so much for watching this, and type in the comment box below, how are you going to do this Tadasan drills? I want to know how you're going to do it. Thank you. Namaste.